Today, we're changing the windshield, stripping the tint, retinting the car, and reviving the paint with a 3-stage paint correction and ceramic coating. So I'm using the Jiffy brand professional steamer to get this tint off today. I'll link their website down in the description. Now I'm still gonna have to use soapy water and razor blades to get the glue off the glass. Sometimes you can get real lucky and the glue will come right off with the tint. But today, we're not getting so lucky with this one, which is probably from the tint being so old, brittle, and nasty looking. Now if you're watching this video and you tint windows yourself or plan on starting to tint windows, I definitely recommend you get one of these. I will not strip tint off of a back glass with the frost lines without one. Now, if I was not using this steamer to pull the tint off this car, this would be coming off in little bitty pieces. Now stick around, I will be retinting these windows later on in the video. I'll also be showing off the 3-stage paint correction that Jeremy did for his dad. Now this right here was a picture from day one of ownership. Paint was shot, no real shine, and was lacking depth and luster. After just one stage of paint correction, Jeremy knew he could bring the shine back. So this footage is from before he started that process. At the time, he had only done the hood. See how it's missing that depth, that luster, that shine? You can see a little bit of reflection, but not that much. What detail products do you guys trust for your vehicle? We use Jack's Wax here. Look them up online. And then this man went crazy. Over 25 hours later of paint correction, he has definitely brought back the shine. This right here is him actually starting stage 3. And still needs the ceramic coating. This is looking deep into the paint, 10 feet away. His dad also bought new headlights and corner markers. Looking real good. It was time for more disassembly. That's exactly what it was time for, but for good reason. All right, so the good thing about having a glass shop right next door is when you need something done, all you got to do is walk right through. Or at Accurate Auto Glass, right next door, getting the windshield replaced. I'll put his contact information in the description below, so if you're in Valpo or near Valparaiso, Indiana, contact him for all your glass needs. So normally, changing a windshield takes a little longer than I'm going to show you here. I did not cut out any of the process though. As you can see, the man has a few tools to get the old urethane cut away that's holding the windshield in place.
Broken!
Now that the old windshield's out, he can go ahead and cut away the old urethane and prep for the new windshield. And now it's time for that fresh new urethane.
Hello. 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 How are you?
And now it's time to get that new windshield put in. Now I will be retinting this windshield at a later date with Global's ceramic 70%. That film is almost completely clear, but still provides the same ceramic heat rejection as the rest of their film. It's been a few days since the windshield's put in. We also repainted that windshield cowl. It was looking just as bad as the paint was. Oh yeah, here, I forgot to show you guys. Here's the sub box. He wrapped the sides and the top in some white upholstery to match the interior. And his dad has been out enjoying this car every minute he can. Alright, it's finally time to tint these windows. We are using the Ceramic 33 from Global. Provides a great shade, great heat rejection, not to mention it looks great on the car as well. Now, believe it or not, this is actually the third time cleaning these windows. I did it one time off camera, did it a second time off camera. Now I'm just going over it a third time. Remember people, if you're just learning how to tint windows, the more times you clean the car, the better off you're gonna be. Now as you see, I'm not peeling my clear layer all the way off. I'm not even touching the exposed pieces of tint with my fingertips the entire time. I'm on the back side of the tint, placing it on the glass. Never have I once touched the inside sticky part of the film. No matter how clean the car is or your hands, you can still get sediments on the tint, which will show up. Just getting that top edge as close as I can to the edge of the glass. Going for that shaved edge look. No gaps here.
That is what she said.
Now the only window we will not be covering and tinting today is the back glass, because obviously we're still waiting on the upholstery shop to get the vinyl top done. So that's probably going to be in a later video, depending on when I put this one out. Side note, we've also waited to do the windshield when we get the car back from the upholstery shop, because we finally got the call. We're dropping it off in 2 weeks, which ironically is the same day this video's dropping. Alright everyone, while I finish up these quarter windows, I just want to take the time out to say thank you. If you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate it. Also, drop down a comment. Tell me what you liked about the video. Tell me what you didn't like about the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, because it helps me out tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. As soon as we get this car back from the upholstery shop, in the next video, I will show off the brand new vinyl top. I will tint the windshield and the back glass. So make sure your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss the next video. Now you notice how I'm holding that piece of tint in place with my thumb the entire time that I'm squeegeeing. Definitely want to hold on to that film because it will move on you. And remember, if you're learning to tint windows, I will be dropping more videos, how-to tutorials, explaining the methods and how I tint windows. So if you're just starting out, learning how to tint, let me know. Give me some ideas of what you're having troubles with. Maybe I can make a video and help. I've got about 24 years of experience, and I've tinted everything from cars, boats, tractors, farm equipment, train machinery, you name it, I've probably tinted it. Alright everyone, there you have it. There's the finished final product. Looking good. As you can see, that top edge is right up on the glass. I do have to trim these quarters. Give it about 2 days and these windows can be rolled down.